Today, I'm going to share 7 faceless YouTube channel ideas that are set to explode in 2026. If you want to start a YouTube channel without showing your face, without advanced skills, and still make serious money, then this video is for you. Let's start with idea number 1, Stickman videos. Take this example, a channel like Easy Actually. It reached over 1 million subscribers with just 23 videos. Now you might think the editing must be complex. So let's watch this channel's most popular video, which has 9 million views.
So you want to become smart. In most of the world, you're told that it takes 12 years of school, plus 4 years of college, plus 6 years of graduate school to become smart.
As you can see, editing is so simple. A plain black background, simple text, and a cute stickman character used throughout the video. That's it. You can create this kind of character easily using MS Paint or any basic editor. The content usually focuses on self-improvement, productivity, social skills. For example, how to be productive, how to make friends, how to become smarter, and it's not limited to this niche. People are using this style for science, language learning, and even YouTube growth content. So why do these videos perform so well? Because today's content is extremely fast-paced and overstimulating. Our brains get overwhelmed. Stickman videos feel different. They're simple, clean, and easy to follow. That makes viewers feel relaxed, and they end up watching longer. The second idea is all-in-one breakdown videos. Take a channel like Everything Professor. It gained 300,000 plus subscribers in just 49 videos. And all the videos of this channel follow a new format, which is trending a lot in 2026 right now. Like if video is about drugs, then the topic will be something like this: every drug and its effect explained. If the video is about to be rich, then the topic will be every way to get rich in 2025 explained. If there is a video about humor, then the title will be every type of humor explained. Basically, this format is simple. You pick one main topic and explain all of its subtopics in a single video. That's it. For video ideas and scripts, you can use tools like ChatGPT. You can also generate voiceovers using AI tools, so you don't even need to record your own voice. Editing is very basic. All you need are AI-generated images, PNG elements, simple clip art, and you can put together a full video. The best part, these channels can cover almost any topic: finance, psychology, wildlife, religion, which means your video ideas are basically unlimited, and if you want, you can still narrow down to a specific niche. For example, a channel like Food Mark focuses only on different types of food, but still uses the same everything explained format. Now, the third idea is book summary channels. We all know we should read books, but most people either don't have the time or don't know which book to choose. That's where book summary channels come in. Channels like Audiobook One, Reader's Book Club, and Bookpedia solve this exact problem. They take the key ideas and insights from a book and turn them into a 30 to 40 minute video, so the viewer saves hours of reading and still gets the value. And the best part, creating this content is now easier than ever. You can use AI to summarize the book, rewrite it in your own engaging style, turn it into a script, and you're done. Editing is minimal. In most cases, you can simply show the book cover on screen and keep it there throughout the video. You're explaining great ideas, but again, tightening the language and fixing clarity will make it sound much more professional and engaging. Another great advantage of this niche is that the RPM is quite high, and there's more. Whatever book summaries you create, you can add affiliate links for those books in your description, so along with AdSense, you'll also generate extra passive income. Now let's talk about the next idea: horror story channels. You might not be into horror, but trust me, there's a massive audience for it on YouTube. Take a channel like Mr. Nightmare. It has 7 million plus subscribers, and it generates thousands of dollars every month just from AdSense. And the surprising part, the videos are extremely simple. They usually include a narrator's voice, some stock images, dark ambient background music. That's it. No complex editing, no face reveal. The entire focus is on storytelling. Most of the stories are actually submitted by viewers, and you can also find similar content on platforms like Reddit. Now yes, Mr. Nightmare is a pioneer in this niche since 2015, but that doesn't mean new creators can't grow. If you use a deep, engaging voice, tell stories in an immersive way, your chances of success are still very high. 5. Monkey Explains videos. The fifth idea is something unique. Take a look at a channel like Primate Economics. It gained 500,000 plus subscribers in just 24 videos. What makes it special? It explains finance concepts using monkeys and bananas. For example,
if monkeys have one banana, banana rare, banana valuable. But if monkeys grow more bananas, banana become common?
Visual, easy to understand, and it works. This format isn't limited to finance either. Other creators are using the same style for fitness, science, education. The reason this idea is powerful is because it's simple to understand, slightly funny, and engaging, highly shareable. And right now, it's trending, especially with US audiences. So how are these monkey explain videos actually made? It's very simple. You just need one main character. You can draw it in MS Paint or generate it using AI. Then, using that same character as a reference, you can create different scenes for your entire video. The real secret behind these channels? They simplify complex concepts into something even a child can understand. That's why your script matters the most. The sixth idea is quiz videos, and this is probably one of the easiest ideas on this list. Take a channel like Quiz Cake. In around 100 videos, it has gained 200,000 plus subscribers. The content is super simple. Guess the country, find the odd one out. Guess the correct logo. In this niche, quantity matters a lot, but don't worry, content creation is very easy. You just need to create one template in your editor, then replace images and voiceovers, and you can upload multiple videos daily. Quizzes are naturally interactive, which helps maintain high audience retention, AVD. You can also add levels, assign points, encourage viewers to comment their scores, include hints to make it more engaging. There's a massive audience for this, and top creators have millions of subscribers. The seventh idea is relaxing educational content. In this niche, you explain facts in a calm, peaceful voice, so people can relax or even fall asleep while listening. Take a channel like Sleepy Science. In just 8 months, it reached 250,000 plus subscribers. And here's something interesting. Most videos are 1 to 2 hours long, which means higher watch time and often a higher RPM. The best part, you don't need advanced editing. These videos usually have minimal visuals, calm voiceover, light background music, because people don't really watch them and they listen. You can cover topics like space psychology, nature, or even focus on a single niche like history, geography, or technology. Now, after watching this video, you should have a clear idea of which Faceless channel you want to start. The only thing left, take action, because ideas don't grow channels. Execution does. Pick one idea, stay consistent, and focus on improving with every video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!